So you want to connect Ignition and automate Ignition within the rest of your firm's workflows. Now, we love Ignition. There's a ton you can do there, and it saves a ton of time just with a native platform. Whether it's automating in the acceptance and sending of proposals or engagement letters or pricing, the connectivity it has with QuickBooks for the reconciliation time savings. There's a lot that we love about Ignition, and there's a lot of native connectivity that Ignition has with some of the other apps. Obviously QuickBooks, like I mentioned, but also some of the workflow management solutions, such as Karbon, right? Automatically, when a proposal is accepted, create a Karbon piece of work for the services that were accepted. Sometimes you want to take it the next step. Let's take pricing changes or upsells, for example. Maybe you don't want to create those new pieces of work, whether it's in Karbon, Financial Sense, TaxDome, even Asana or ClickUp. If you already have a client and you're just changing the price, you don't want to create that whole new piece of work and workflow for them in your workflow management solutions. And that's where Ignition can take it the next step with custom integrations. Now, currently Ignition connects with Zapier. And we love Zapier for the DIY method, but it's not our tool of choice. And so what we've done with a lot of firms is we've connected the Ignition account to Zapier to actually receive that data. From there, we build custom API integrations with whatever other apps you want. Maybe it's sending a Slack message to the onboarding team upon proposal acceptance. Or maybe it's creating a custom piece of work in Karbon or your workflow management solutions, whether they're a new client or an existing client. That's where these custom integrations and developments can become really valuable and help optimize that workflow even further for you. There's so many different opportunities I hear every day about where different businesses are implementing AI or automation into their workflow. So drop a comment below and let me know where you're implementing AI.